Welcome to Lesson 4 of the Understanding WordPress Posts course. In this lesson, we will look at the time-date feature of posts. When a post is created, WordPress logs the date and time. It uses that to display the post in the proper sequence. However, you could put a date in the future as the published date, and then the post will only show up in our blog, in our case, when that date and time arrives. Well, Sheila Foster, the author, got these testimonials a long while ago, but is only posting them now. So we will add the actual date she received them. So let's go back. There's our website. We're on our blog list or archive and listing all the blog posts. And here is John Parker, and it shows down here the date, January 31. And if you hover over it, you get the time, 9:10 a.m. This is called the meta information for the post. Okay, so let's go back to her. So John Parker wrote this post on 12/22 of 2013. We'll keep that December 22nd. Okay, so I can click that to edit the post. I could do almost it, so I'll edit the post there. And we look at the date, published on blah blah blah. So I can edit that date. And it was written, when did we say? December 22nd. Okay, December 22nd, of course not the future in this case, but last year at the Christmas craft fair. Okay, so there's the new date, update. Let's have a look then to see what that has done. Oh my goodness, John Parker has disappeared. It's gone down the list. And if we look at our blog, now Heidi Mueller has moved up. John Parker has moved all the way down to there. Okay, that looks good. So we'll do the same for the other two testimonials. Now sure, we could go to the actual edit page, but we can also do a quick edit. So we'll do one using a quick edit. So we have on the quick edit feature right here in the list the option of changing the date. So I'll go and which one was it? It's that one, testimonials. I'm looking for Heidi Mueller. Was the 1st of October. So it was October. And it was the 1st, 2013. And I'll say OK, update. Let's see, yep, that went right. Let's go and check. So we'll see, okay, Heidi Mueller has moved down. And we'll do Ariadne. She wrote that just after the book was published, so let's have a look. We'll go the long way around. Ariadne Sawyer, edit post. And she wrote that, let's see, September the 19th. So I'll edit it here. September 19th, 2013, update. And now we can go back to our list. and we see everything has changed. They've gone into new positions depending on the date that they were published. Okay, that looks very good. So we've had a look at the date. While we're here, it's not so important when you're the only person working on your posts, but it is possible, for example, how to write a limerick. Where is that post? John Parker, we'll look at that. We can see that there have been 6 revisions. So if we click on that, we can see all the revisions that we've done on that particular one. Let's go back. Another way of accessing that, when you work in the edit, it only shows you the items that you are working with, that you use. For example, this format, I'm not using that a lot. I can collapse that if I want it back. So it gives me more things to work with. We are going to look at categories and tags pretty shortly, so I'll leave them there. But other options that are hidden is shown here. So if I want to see the revisions, I can click that. And now the revisions are added here, and if I want to look at any one specific one, I can simply click on it. It will take me to the revisions page. We've already looked in a previous lesson, but it's useful to remember that if you want to say, I don't want, let's have a look at that. Comments and trackbacks, maybe you don't want those, you could undo them. You could always hide this field so it doesn't take up space, or if you don't want to show it at all, you uncheck it there, close that, and your working area is a lot cleaner. So it's handy to know about these features while working with posts. Okay, let me update this. I'm not sure what we've changed, just to make sure. There we go. So in the next lesson we will look at categories.